a majority of Americans hold an optimistic outlook regarding the economic landscape. According to CNN Business, a new survey data released Monday by the Federal Reserve Bank of New York showed that U.S. consumers believe inflation will continue to ease, the labor market will remain strong, and they will continue to spend more than they did pre-pandemic. The October survey of consumer expectations printed a largely more positive picture than the New York Fed's survey a month before, when the consumers were as apprehensive of not making a minimum debt payment as they were in the early stages of the COVID-19 pandemic. In October, the average perceived probability of missing a minimum debt payment dropped to 11.99%, matching the measurement in June and sitting well within pre-pandemic ranges. Consumer expectations for inflation 1 year and 5 years from now both dropped 0.1 percentage points from the month before to land at 3.6% and 2.7% respectively. However, median inflation expectations at the 3-year horizon remained unchanged at 3%, a yearly high. The Federal Reserve closely watches consumers' inflation expectations as they can be a self-fulfilling prophecy. If consumers anticipate the prices will remain high, they might spend more now and demand higher wages, and businesses might raise prices to accommodate higher demand and wages. So it's interesting as unemployment is going up, guys. Unemployment went from 3.4% to 3.9%, and just as an economist general rule, when the unemployment rate goes up more than half of a percentage point, the rule that economists use and measure is that a recession is either past us or is right around the corner. And we jumped from 3.4% to 3.9% unemployment just from September to October. So we'll have to wait and see what the future tells us. It's just, again, I've been saying we're in a weird space, but I agree that it is a self-fulfilling prophecy when it comes to consumer sentiments and the market sentiment. Like I always say, the market is very sentimental and emotional.